This morning, you woke up and chose to eat without thinking twice. You did not hunt it. You did not grow it. You did not even leave your house. But for 290,000 years, every single human who ever lived woke up with one terrifying question. Will I find food today? Not what will I eat? Will I eat at all? And what ancient humans ate and how they got it will completely change how you see your breakfast forever. If this is the kind of real human history that fascinates you, hit subscribe right now. We cover real early human stories every single week. To understand what ancient humans ate, we need to go way back. Before farms, before cooking pots, before any civilization existed. For the first 290,000 years of human existence, there was no agriculture at all. No planting, no harvesting, no storing food for winter. Just humans moving across the land eating whatever they could find each day. The first humans were hunter-gatherers, and most people imagine they spent all their time hunting massive animals. The truth will shock you. Up to 80% of their daily calories came from plants. Berries, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, and even bark. Humans were responsible for most of the food the tribe ate. While men hunted, which often failed, women gathered plants, which almost never failed. They knew their landscapes so well they could find food even in the harshest conditions. But when a hunt succeeded, everything changed. The entire tribe would eat together. And here is something that will genuinely disgust you. The organs were eaten first. The liver, the heart, the kidneys. Because ancient humans instinctively knew these were the most nutritious parts. The brain was considered a delicacy given only to the most respected tribe members, and the bones were cracked open to eat the rich marrow inside. Nothing was wasted, absolutely nothing. But here's where it gets truly wild. Ancient humans also ate things that will make your stomach turn. Insects were a major food source. Grubs, beetles, termites, crickets, all eaten regularly and without hesitation. 2 billion people on Earth still eat insects today as part of their normal diet. Ancient humans also ate clay, actual earth and clay from the ground. Not because they were starving, because clay contains essential minerals the body needs. And this practice still happens in parts of Africa and South America today. Then, around 1 million years ago, something happened that changed what humans ate forever. Fire. Not just for warmth, for cooking. And cooking changed the human brain itself. Raw food takes enormous energy to digest. Cooked food releases far more calories with far less effort. That freed up energy that went straight to the brain. Our brains tripled in size after we started cooking. Tripled. And fire did something else nobody talks about. It created the first dinner table. For the first time, humans sat together and shared a meal. And that simple act, sharing cooked food around the fire, is where human culture was born. Fast forward to ancient Egypt. The Nile gave Egyptians something almost no other civilization had: reliable food. Bread was everything. They had over 40 types of bread. And beer was not a luxury, it was a daily necessity. Workers who built the pyramids were paid in beer, up to 10 jugs every single day. In ancient Rome, the obsession with food became extreme. Roman emperors ate flamingo tongues, peacock brains, stuffed dormice rolled in honey. And the most disgusting thing Romans ate, rich and poor alike, was garum, a fermented fish sauce made by leaving fish guts rotting in the sun for months. The smell was so bad that garum factories were banned from inside Roman cities. And yet, Romans put it on absolutely everything. If you're learning something new right now, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. We do this every single week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now here's where ancient food connects directly to your life today. For 290,000 years, our bodies evolved to handle feast and famine. Eat when food exists, go without when it doesn't. Our bodies are still running that same ancient programming right now. When you crave sugar, that's your ancient brain screaming that you found rare, valuable calories. When you overeat, that's your body storing energy for a famine that never comes anymore. The obesity crisis, diabetes, heart disease, all linked to ancient survival instincts living in a world of modern abundance. We changed the world faster than our bodies could keep up. From hunting insects and cracking bones for marrow, to gathering around the first fire that made us human, to pyramid workers drinking 10 jugs of beer a day, to Roman emperors eating flamingo tongues, food has always been more than survival. It's been culture, identity, connection. Every time you sit down to eat today, you're continuing a tradition 290,000 years in the making. Which part of this video shocked you the most? Comment below. I read every single one. And share this with someone who thinks they know what ancient humans ate. Subscribe to my channel for more real stories from early human life every single week. Because history isn't just about the past. It's about understanding who we are right now.